अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करते हैं करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फ्यूचरिस्टिक आर्किटेक्चर की जो हैं कौन कौन सी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं। तो वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और साथ दिए गए बेल के आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी आने वाली न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँच सकें। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, देखते हैं कि मेन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स कौन कौन सी हैं। It is Gothic art involved in lasted from mid 12th century up to the last 16th century in some areas of Germany. Architecture was the main art from the Gothic, and the main structural characteristics of the Gothic architecture design stemmed from the efforts of medieval masons to solve the problems associated with supporting heavy masonry ceiling walls over wide spans. The problem arose because the stonework of the traditional arched roof exerted a tremendous downward and outward pressure against the walls upon which it rested, which often caused a collapse up to and including the preceding period of Roman architecture. This starts from 800 to 1150. Building designer believed that ventral supporting walls had to be made extremely thick and heavy in order to contract and absorb the walls downward and outward pressure. But Gothic designers solved this problem around 1120 with several brilliant innovations. Ribbed vaulting or flying buttresses or pointed arc. First and most important, they developed a ribbed vault made up of intersecting barrel vaults whose stone ribs supported a vaulted ceiling of thin stone panels. Not only did this new arrangement significantly reduce the weight and thus the outward thrust of the ceiling vault, but also the vault's weight was now transmitted along a distinct stone ribs. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आ जाता है मास्टर masons. Medieval masons were highly skilled craftsmen, and their trade was not frequently used in the building of castles, churches, and cathedrals. A master mason was someone who also had charge over carpenters, glaziers, and other works. Indeed, all skilled and unskilled workers on a building site were under the supervision of master mason. He himself was based in what was known as the Mason Lodge. All major building sites would have a Mason Lodge. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा आज का सेशन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।